Hey guys, how's it going? How to sell cryptocurrency on Kraken. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Kraken, right? Select the crypto that you want to sell. Let's have an example. I already have Bitcoin, so I'm gonna select Bitcoin, right? And basically click sell right here at the bottom left, and I'm gonna sell percentage wise. Let's have an example. Let's have an example 25%, right? And automatically I will be redirected to the selling page to confirm that I want to sell the Bitcoin for this amount of price, and then you're gonna swipe to confirm. All right, and the sell option is available on others if you have them in your account. Otherwise it may not appear, and that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.